I do a lot of CE courses. I attend hundreds of hours in a year. And I'm gonna say the thing that I really like, besides the knowledge, besides everything, it's I look for places that do they know the information and can they teach it? And above all, are they nice people? And that's what I really find with Dr. Charkhandeh and his team here, and all the other professionals. They're just awesome, you know, lots of heart, and so open and willing to share this information with me.
It's a really big problem. Like, I'm just learning about it. It's crazy. Like, I have sleep apnea and I'm always fatigued. I'm always tired. I'm always drained. Like, hopefully I can help myself. It's going to be awesome. And then I can treat myself and then talk to my patients about it. And I've taken other like 3-day courses on grafting or things like that. And I never have left it knowing. Like, I felt like I've had to come home and just study for weeks and figure things out. But Dr. Shouresh is super organized and it's very systemized. So you leave this program just feeling like you have step 1, step 2, step 3, and you can implement it on Monday.
It has exceeded my expectations like exponentially. Shouresh put together an amazing foundation. But then he also like peppers it in with like the practical, everyday, this is exactly what I do.
He showed us a demo of precisely how he's going to talk to the patient, insert the appliance, talk about the appliance, tell them what we should look for, what things we should avoid. So we see how he does it in his practice from beginning to end. See it all.
You can tell that Shouresh is not trying to hide anything, like he's not keeping proprietary secrets. He's trying to give the information out so that people can utilize the information and help people. And so that's refreshing.
What I've been really loving about this course is just the knowledge, the depth of knowledge from Charkhandeh to Dr. Cohen to all the other specialists that are here to just give me so much knowledge to go home and help my patients. That's the biggest thing, is taking care of my patients first and foremost.